Morning guys, it is October 17th, 2024. Got a call from that bakery again that the got steam boilers down, and it's not any of the fuses that I put in over there, so that's not the issue. So it's something else. We'll go figure out why it's not firing, and well, it might be that another one, something that's, you know, low water cutoff that's bad. Or he says there's water in the boiler because I told him to add some water to it. You know, it should fire up the. It might be the draft damper that's bad. Could be the gas valve or electronic sparker. It'd be a transformer to let loose. I don't know. We'll go try to figure it out. Never a dull moment, Mama. Is it warm? Nothing.
Nothing.
This is warm.
Just a little warm here. That shut off this morning.
That might be. See how it's not open all the way? That might be what our problem is. See it? How it's not open all the way? I'm just saying that's a possibility.
Okay.
We got water in it. Yep. All right. Get my meter and check shit. Huh? Oh, the machine?
Yeah, the machine's upstairs.
What are you, a cook here or what?
No, I just like clean around and...
Is that your son?
Oh, I used to be here with Manny, you know, Manny and Joe. I used to hang around with it, yeah. Do this, do that.
Alright, so we got 27 going through there, so that's not the problem. Ah. 27. Let's see what we got here. We should have power. PV. Pilot, PV and P1. That's let's see if we got anything there. Nothing. We know we got power coming in. 24 volt. We should have 24 volts here coming into this thing. We don't. The red. We got 24 volts coming in. Red and black. We do have 24 volts there. See it?
Yep.
We got 24 volts coming into this unit. But maybe that the thing's not calling for...
Upstairs?
Maybe it's not calling. You said the switch is on upstairs and it's calling?
The switch is on, yeah. The switch feels weak. It's not like... It feels like that. I mentioned that in the machine last night. I said the switch feels weak. Nah, the switch. I think the switch is making contact right inside. Like the switch is not connected with the board.
Shut that power off up there and then turn it back on. I want to see if this I want to see if we get shut it off and then turn it back on. I want to see if I get any power coming. Shut it. Is it back on? All right. That should be the, you know, it should click.
Yeah.
Where's the TT? TH should be the thermostat coming in this black right here. Yeah. Power. This is something click. Alright. There we got power to the gas valve and nothing. See it?
Yeah.
26 volts.
Going through,
but it's not sparking. So we got a bad controller. I gotta change this. Not sparking, you don't hear it.
No.
It didn't come on, did it?
There's no.
Unless the pilot's out. Pilot could be out. Oh, that's because this is electronic spark.
Yeah.
This is electronic spark.
There's not.
Alright, so it's calling, but this isn't sparking.
No.
See it?
Yeah, it's not sparking.
Alright, so let me get one out of the truck. I should have one.
It's not sparking.
No spark.
Power's there, but it's not.
No spark. That wasn't hard, was it?
Not hard if you know what you're looking for. If you don't know what you're looking for, it's hard.
Alright, let me go get what I need. I should be able to change this and this should work, okay?
Looks fine.
I think that's the one I need right there. 5.9. I think that's it. Look at my camera. I got other ones in here if I... An 86. Yeah, this is an 86, not an 89. Honeywell 86. No, that's not the right one. I need an 86, so that's not the right one. I should have more in here. Me, I'm a flipping crazy bugger when it comes to shit like this. I always like to have the stuff in the truck. Here we go, 86. That's the one, and that's an 89. It's different. This is the one we need right here. 8610. I got more. I got a whole bunch of more shit in here. I just gotta dig. Sometimes I gotta dig a little deeper. Gas valves. Fucking crazy bugger. Cleaning out my truck. Making room so I can walk in here. Power's off. We're gonna change this control out. I have one.
Power.
Today's his lucky day.
Everything seems to be going at the same time.
Well,
I want to go this way. Hey,
so what's your job description here?
no jet.
Huh?
I do everything for them.
Do everything?
Heavy needs.
Now, were you involved with the other guys too?
He was my brother-in-law.
This guy's your brother-in-law?
No, the other.
The other one is your brother-in-law?
And he was my brother-in-law.
Oh, he's
Not my brother. We married same sisters.
Oh, okay.
So I used to help him here.
Oh, so you, them guys are flipping hard workers, no?
Who? The one who's here?
The older guy, the Manny and Joe?
Oh, they give their life for this.
Flipping animals.
They give their life for this.
They gave their life to it.
No,
Huh?
they didn't have no life. Just this.
Alright. No life.
No life at all, no.
Alright, so I got this one set for 90 seconds. And then this is set for pre-purge, 0. What's this one set for? We'll just leave it. I could adjust it later if I want to. But it's a tough life.
Very tough.
Poor guy worked his whole life. Now he's all screwed up, right?
Screwed up, yeah.
Huh?
Both of them were screwed up.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Diabetic, and one's diabetic and one's On dialysis.
Dialysis.
Unfucking believable. Huh?
Yeah, it's on dialysis 3 days a
Alright,
week.
so that goes there.
Red, green, black.
This
The
one
space
goes.
between the black and
This one
red.
goes here. Work your whole life
I know.
for what?
Yeah.
I mean, what good's the money if
You got money, but
What
you got
good's-
money, but no.
what good's the money if you can't enjoy it? Right? Unbelievable. I know they were hard workers. It's like, holy shit, I don't want to work like that. I just never complained. So you know him.
What?
I just did some work at his house. Alright, so let's see if that works. That should take care of it. It's the same exact control. It's the same thing. Turn it on and let's see what happens.
Seems like it goes for
Listen.
something.
There we go. Son of a bitch, huh?
When you know, you know. When you know, you know.
Fuck, I better pay me this time. Huh?
Better pay you good.
Yeah, I better pay me when I send him the bill, because last time he didn't pay me, so I told him I don't want to work for you. You don't pay in your bills. Oh, what do you mean? What the hell, guy? Send you a bill, you don't pay it. I mean, I know he's good for it, but jerk me around.
I know.
You'll be the one. You'll be the one.
To lose.
Yeah.
You don't have nobody to work for you with you.
Yeah, you can't be like that.
No, you gotta pay. People just.
I even told Manny, and he's just shaking his head. He's like, I'll have a talk with him. That's my, yeah, that's for my light. Alright, so it's running.
Yeah, it's running now.
So
That's
that
what
bad
it is.
control.
That's
I
what
mean,
it is, yeah.
it happens. That's what it was. Alright, new spot controller. So the new feeder has been in. That 3 amp fuse did blow when we put a 5 in there,
It
and
got bigger.
we put a 5 in there and it's working, and I left them a 10 in case that's a problem, but I don't think so.
Yeah, we can change. If it does happen, we'll change then and see what
Yeah, if the 5 blows, we'll put a 10 in there, but
happens. And then we'll take it from there.
don't go any more than that.
No.
So that's what it was, son of a bitch.